Now open your browser and search MongoDB Download Center. Choose the official site. Go to Community Center. MongoDB is available for different OS also such as Linux and Mac. We'll be installing on Windows with release 4.0.1. Also we can download older versions, but we'll be installing current release for 64-bit. Click on download. It will start the downloading process and then open the file. Select Next and accept the terms. We'll be selecting Complete Installation. We don't need online custom management. Click on Install and wait until all packages will get installed. Now we will not open the installed MongoDB, but will go to root folder of MongoDB where it was installed. Inside server 4.0 then bin. Now copy the path for setting up environmental variables. Now open command prompt and we'll set path for MongoDB environment. Type MongoD in first command prompt to initialize the connection port. Also there's another way to set path. Permanently go to Properties, then Advanced System Settings, then Environment Variables. Now inside System Variables select Path, then Edit, then New, and paste the copied path in the system. Now open another command prompt and type Mongo to establish the connection.